307 species in genus Eleocharis. The unassuming charm of Eleocharis, a botanical appreciation by Ferb Vu. I've always been drawn to the subtle beauty of the natural world, the intricate details that often go unnoticed. Lately, my attention has been captured by the genus Eleocharis, a group of plants commonly known as spicarishes or spike sedges. These seemingly simple plants, with their slender, grass-like forms and understated elegance, possess a unique charm that I find endlessly fascinating. Eleocharis belongs to the sedge family, Cyperaceae, a diverse group that includes well-known plants like papyrus and cottongrass. The name Eleocharis itself is derived from the Greek words helios, meaning marsh dweller, and charis, meaning grace, perfectly encapsulating the essence of these plants. They are typically found in wet habitats such as marshes, bogs, and the edges of ponds and streams, their roots firmly anchored in the waterlogged soil. What strikes me most about Eleocharis is its minimalist aesthetic. The plants lack the showy flowers of many other species, instead bearing their fruit in small, cone-like structures called spikelets at the tips of their stems. This simplicity, however, is precisely what I find so appealing. The clean lines and uncluttered forms of Eleocharis create a sense of tranquility and harmony, a reminder that beauty can be found in the most understated of things. But don't let their seemingly simple appearance fool you. Eleocharis plays a vital role in its ecosystem. These plants provide crucial habitat and food sources for a variety of wildlife, including birds, insects, and small mammals. They also help to stabilize shorelines, prevent erosion, and filter pollutants from the water, contributing to the overall health of the wetland environment. One of the most well-known species within the genus is Eleocharis dulcis, commonly known as Chinese water chestnut. This particular species holds a special place in my heart, as it reminds me of my cultural heritage. The crisp, sweet tubers of this plant are a popular ingredient in Asian cuisine, often used in stir-fries, salads, and desserts. I fondly recall my grandmother adding them to her delicious spring rolls, their satisfying crunch adding a delightful textural element to the dish. Beyond its culinary uses, Eleocharis dulcis also has a rich history in traditional medicine. In some cultures, it is believed to have cooling and diuretic properties, and is used to treat a variety of ailments, from fevers to urinary tract infections. Diving deeper, the diversity of Eleocharis. The genus Eleocharis is remarkably diverse, encompassing over 250 species distributed across the globe. Each species has its own unique characteristics and adaptations, making the study of Eleocharis a truly rewarding pursuit. Some species, like Eleocharis acicularis, are delicate and hair-like, forming dense mats that resemble green carpets. Others, like Eleocharis palustris, are taller and more robust, their stems reaching upwards of a meter in height. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The importance of preservation. As with so many other plant species, Eleocharis faces threats from habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. It's crucial that we recognize the importance of these often overlooked plants and take steps to protect them. By preserving wetland habitats, reducing our environmental impact, and promoting sustainable practices, we can ensure that future generations will continue to appreciate the unassuming charm of Eleocharis. For me, Eleocharis serves as a constant reminder that beauty can be found in the simplest of things. These plants, with their quiet elegance and ecological significance, have enriched my understanding of the natural world and deepened my appreciation for the intricate web of life. I encourage everyone to take a closer look at the world around them and discover the hidden wonders that await, perhaps even in the unassuming form of a spicarish.